Hey there, water enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the world of water quality with the Wellon TDS meter. With its compact, sleek, and ergonomic design, the Wellon TDS meter fits perfectly in your hand, making it convenient to use wherever you are. Wellon TDS meter is your ultimate companion for testing water quality anytime, anywhere. With its easy-to-read display and intuitive design, checking the total dissolved solids in your water has never been easier. Simply dip the probe into your water sample, and within seconds, you'll get an accurate reading of total dissolved solids. Keep your finned friends happy and healthy by monitoring their aquarium water with precision. Whether you're testing your drinking water, aquarium, or hydroponic system, the Wellon TDS meter provides precise measurements, ensuring the safety and quality of your water. Whether you're at home, in the office, or out on your next adventure, the Wellon TDS meter is there to ensure you're sipping on the purest, cleanest water possible. Simply dip, click, and get an instant TDS reading. It's that easy. Plus, its long-lasting battery ensures you're always ready to test, no matter where life takes you. Upgrade your water quality monitoring with the Wellon TDS meter. Stay informed, stay healthy,